Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to update a quick Ethical comparison review between these two email apps, which is Spark Mail and Canary Mail. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Spark Mail focuses on productivity and collaboration, offering features like smart inbox, AI replies, and team comment that makes managing busy inbox smoother. Its clean interface and intelligent sort makes it a great choice for professionals juggling multiple accounts. Canary Mail, however, stands out for privacy and insecurity, using end-to-end encryption and AI summaries to simplify communication. While Spark feels more modern and team-friendly, Canary's strength lies in secure, distraction-free email handling. So if you want collaboration and AI workflow, go with Spark. But if privacy and simplicity matter most to you, Canary wins in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.